I get asked about AI stuff quite a bit, and I know a lot of people are really concerned about it, and maybe I'm ignorant, but for some reason it just doesn't really concern me that much. I think it's obviously a really powerful thing and it can do some really amazing things, but like, am I worried about it replacing me as an illustrator and replacing the work that I do? No, maybe I should, but I'm just not. And it got me thinking, these image creators are just like searching around, finding images and like learning things and piecing them together to create something new. But they can't create something completely unique. At least I don't think they can, but maybe ignorance is bliss. I started thinking about like what makes my work unique and what makes it not replaceable by AI. And one thing that I thought of was like, my work is just weird. So while thinking about that, I was like, I wonder what would happen if I put in prompts for some of my weirdest drawings into Midjourney, and let's see who can get more weird, me or the robots. So I got Discord open here, and then I've got a folder of some of my weirdest drawings that I just grabbed, and I'm gonna describe them to Midjourney and see what they come up with, and then we can look at mine and see who wins, me or the robots. Let's start with something simple. So to do this, you just got to do like a /, then type imagine. This first drawing is a cartoon character that is a taco with legs and a face that is smiling with teeth. And then maybe I should say in a cartoon style, I don't know if I should limit AI in this regard, but let's, so we just hit return and now we just wait and see. It's getting there. It's at 46%. To be honest, it's a little better than I thought it would be. Let's wait till we get the full 100% version. Okay, so my initial response was like, these are better than mine, but as I spend more than a second looking at them, I'm like, they're a little clip arty. Top right one's kind of cool, but the issue is none of these really look like tacos. I think I dominate this round. 1 point me, no points to the robots. All right, this is a really old one. And I just want to see what AI is going to do with this. The rapper Wiz Khalifa with cheese whiz hair. If you didn't put the two and two together, this is a pun drawing that I did that is cheese whiz Khalifa. Is Wiz Khalifa even relevant anymore? This is a very old drawing. Okay, so what do we have here? We got some cool, interesting cartoon illustrations of Wiz Khalifa. I don't see any cheese whiz hair. They forget the cheese whiz. I mean, we've got like sort of blonde hair. I want cheese on the head. Let's look at mine. No contest. Get out of here, you stupid robots. This is a drawing that I did based on some lyrics from a song by the Idols. A cartoon character that is a thyroid with legs. I mean, I know there's like an art form to these prompts and like the way that you're supposed to type these things in. And like maybe there's a better way to get what I want out of this, but I don't know. So this doesn't look anything like a thyroid. This first character has blood on its face for no reason. Then we've got a rude girl, like a cross-eyed boy, and then a businesswoman. Let's try a different way to word this. Imagine a thyroid that has legs and a face. We'll just leave it at that. It's at 15% and it looks disgusting from what I can see. I'm very not looking forward to seeing it. I think I may have prompted something terrible. Okay, this is borderline horrifying. I don't even know what I'm looking at. The top one on the left is super creepy. They're all super creepy, but that one, there's something about it. So it's got 3 legs and little insect arms. I don't even know what to say about that. These other things are heads, an old alien head that's being pieced together. This has nothing to do with what I prompted, I don't think. All right, let's get that out of here. I'm gonna have nightmares. Okay, let's do something a little more positive. Or not positive, a little more fun. Imagine a chubby little guy with a cloud for a head, period. He is farting a cloud, and there is a rainbow connecting the fart cloud and the head cloud. See how that goes. Okay, this has paused. Maybe I reached my limit. Let's try Adobe Firefly. Chubby little character with a cloud head. The character is farting a small cloud, and there is a rainbow. Can you hear how bad I type? Like, shouldn't I be better at typing at this point? I'm typing for my entire life. There's no farts here. There's not even a rainbow connecting clouds. Like the top one, there's a rainbow. It's behind the cloud. There's a rainbow in the cloud on the bottom right. These characters are bizarre. Quickly try the taco friend one here. A taco, what is that? We're anthropomorphized? And yes, negative spell check. an anthropomorphized taco that is your friend. Okay, interesting. I would say that these are mostly better than the Midjourney one. They're different for sure. They still don't feel very taco-like. Like for some reason, this is hard for the AI to understand that it's taco-like. And I think that is something that is different. As a human, we sort of understand what a taco is. But if you eat a taco and you hold a taco and you know that shape, you realize that that is what is important about the taco. It's not about the toppings or the textures. It's like that shape where you hold this taco and it's this perfect little form. And a robot doesn't understand that experience. And that's why they're making this. I'm not friends with any of these tacos. A cucumber cartoon character that is very cool and has sunglasses. Okay, these cucumbers are pretty cool. Some weird stuff going on, but overall, I think they're pretty cool. Let's pull up my cucumber. One thing that I can do that computers can't do is I can make bad reference jokes and come up with ideas. Like, to make this cucumber cool, I want to give him like a cool shirt. So I gave him this Black Flag joke, which is an old punk band. That's pretty cool. AI wouldn't have thought to make a dumb joke like that, or make the Black Flag logo out of pickles. Would it have even associated pickles with cucumbers? I don't know. It's not that good. This is I don't even know, is it a joke? That phrase that people say, like dead ass serious. Anyway, I made a skull but the head is also a butt, like dead ass. A skull that has a butt on the top. I'm gonna get banned from Adobe for this. Yep. Adobe says no. I wonder if we can get around it by like using the peach emoji. A peach emoji that is also a skull. See if you're on to me. So I guess two of these things were like, you're trying to do a butt. We're not making a butt. The other ones look like pumpkins. Took the whole peach butt out of this. All right, let's go back to try some more in Midjourney. Skull with a butt on the top. See if there's any rules in Midjourney. Nope, the moderators feel our prompt might be against their standards. Let's try the peach thing one more time. A peach emoji that is also a skull. They're cool looking, but they're missing the butt part. So we didn't get around, we didn't beat the system here. AI is not able to deliver on the dead ass joke. Let's try a silly pun. Guy Fieri in kawaii style, holding a hot dog. If you look at the joke is kawaii Fieri. Let me just see if there's one or two. I think there's two eyes in kawaii. I don't want to give it any excuses to not be able to compete with me here. Okay, two eyes. Loading something. I'm getting excited. I can already tell that they're not very kawaii. They're funny. It's only at 30%. I don't want to judge a book by its 30% cover. Right. The top right drawing is holding a regular dog. And it is a messed up dog. Let's look at it closely. First of all, his hand on the left side. I don't know what is going on there.
Beautiful art.
I don't know what's happened to the dog. The dog's got a tumor. There is not one proper hot dog here.
Ridiculous.
The first one is like I don't know, some sort of tube. And what is on his shirt? Is that a napping hot dog dinosaur? You got a lot of interesting apparel here. Let's pull my kawaii Fieri up. Now, I would say, not to toot my own horn here, but the kawaii style is executed flawlessly.
You're killing it with this.
And you can tell it's Guy Fieri. Look at his little flame shirt.
Wow.
And like the hot dog, this is another thing. Like we, as humans who've experienced hot dogs in the world, know what a hot dog is like, and we know about that curve. That curve is not relevant in any of these, especially in the gigantic burrito with berries coming out of it. I don't know what those are. Are those cherries? The hair. They didn't get the hair. The earrings. Have they ever even seen diners, drive-ins, and the dumps? Diners, drive-ins, Triple D. Have they seen Triple D? Have they sampled the donkey sauce? All right. I'm just crushing AI here. This video is probably going to come back to haunt me. I'm going to lose all of my illustration work and be replaced completely by AI. And the robots are just going to keep playing this video on loop, being like, who's the dummy now? All right, let's just do maybe one more. Let's do one of my SpongeBob puns. Imagine a combination, like it is tricky to word these things, a combination of SpongeBob and Rob Zombie. If you didn't put two and two together, that is Sponge Rob Zombie. That's my pun that I drew at 15%. I can already tell it's weird. I'm really excited. This might be the best one yet. I'm so excited. Okay, these are amazing. I may have to pack it in. They do not really accomplish what I wanted, but as just little illustrations, just perfection. Look at the expression on Rob Zombie in the top left. Look at these characters. Look at SpongeBob in the top right and the expression on Rob Zombie. I may have to take back everything I said. we're in trouble. AI is coming for us. I'm going to go try and figure out what else I can do with my life. This has not been a good talk. I'll see you later.